So next we can see some tabs down below the table. And first, we'll look at the Message Content tab. This tab is going to show us the contents of the message at each step in the channel as it passes through the connectors. So in order to view a message, we first need to click on the message in the table above. We can then see the message in the Message tab. We can cycle through each step of the message with the radio buttons right above the message content. So for example, the raw message is going to be the inbound message as it received and stored in the channel. So this is going to be the message that we first received from our source. We also have encoded. So this is going to be what message is left after the transformer transformed the data. So this is going to be the outbound message to the destination. Now if we click on the destination message, we can see we get a few more radio button options. So the raw and encoded is going to be the same as the source message content. But we also have sent. So sent is going to be a snapshot of what metadata was sent. So we can see that we have the content here. It's going to be our message. We also may have some variable maps, and we can see what it was sent to. So this one, it's a channel ID. Next, we can see our response. So the response is going to be the response object returned by the destination connector. So this would include the response status message, and the actual response received.